Our planet Earth, a vibrant sphere teeming with life. From the highest mountain peaks to the deepest ocean trenches, life exists in a breathtaking array of forms. This incredible variety of life in all its shapes and sizes is what we call biodiversity. It's the intricate web of life that connects us all, a complex tapestry woven over millions of years. Imagine the lush Amazon rainforest, a cacophony of sounds from brightly colored birds, the rustling of leaves as unseen creatures stir, and the humid air thick with the scent of 1,000 different plants. This is biodiversity in action, a symphony of life. But biodiversity is more than just a beautiful spectacle. It's the very foundation of our existence. It provides us with the air we breathe, the food we eat, and the water we drink. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into the concept of biodiversity, exploring its different facets, its importance, and the threats it faces. Join me on this journey as we unravel the wonders of life on Earth and understand why its preservation is crucial for our own survival. Biodiversity, in its simplest form, refers to the variety of life on Earth. However, this variety exists at different levels, forming a hierarchy of biological organization. Let's break down this concept into its three fundamental components: genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Firstly, we have genetic diversity, the variation in genes within a species. Think of the different breeds of dogs, from the tiny Chihuahua to the massive Great Dane, all belonging to the same species, but exhibiting a wide range of physical characteristics due to variations in their genetic makeup. Next comes species diversity, the variety of species within a habitat or a region. Imagine a coral reef teeming with countless species of fish, corals, crustaceans, and other marine life. This abundance and variety of species contribute to the overall species diversity of the ecosystem. Finally, we have ecosystem diversity, which encompasses the variety of ecosystems within a geographical area. Think of the diverse landscapes of India, from the icy Himalayas to the lush Western Ghats, each harboring unique ecosystems with their own distinct flora and fauna. These three levels of biodiversity are interconnected and interdependent, forming a complex web of life. Each level contributes to the overall health and resilience of our planet. How did this astonishing diversity of life come to be? The answer lies in the fascinating process of evolution, the driving force behind the genesis of biodiversity. Over billions of years, life on Earth has been shaped and reshaped by the forces of natural selection and adaptation. Imagine the first single-celled organisms arising in primordial soup, gradually evolving into more complex life forms. Over eons, these life forms diversified, adapting to different environments, giving rise to the incredible array of species we see today. The process of evolution is driven by variations within a population. Individuals with traits better suited to their environment are more likely to survive, reproduce, and pass on their advantageous traits to their offspring. This continuous process of adaptation and diversification has resulted in the evolution of new species and the incredible biodiversity we witness today. The story of evolution is a testament to the power of nature's grand experiment, a testament to the ceaseless creativity of life itself. Biodiversity is not just a matter of scientific curiosity. It holds immense value for humanity, far beyond its intrinsic worth. Let's explore the multifaceted values of biodiversity, encompassing social, productive, ethical, aesthetic, option, and consumptive values. Firstly, biodiversity underpins our very existence. It provides us with ecosystem services that are essential for human well-being, such as clean air, water purification, soil fertility, and climate regulation. These are the social and productive values of biodiversity, providing us with tangible benefits that are crucial for our survival. Beyond these tangible benefits, biodiversity also holds immense ethical and aesthetic value. Every species has an intrinsic right to exist, regardless of its utility to humans. Moreover, the beauty and diversity of the natural world provide us with immeasurable aesthetic pleasure, enriching our lives in countless ways. Biodiversity also holds significant option value, representing the potential for future discoveries and innovations. Many of our medicines and industrial products are derived from natural sources. Who knows what other secrets lie hidden within the vast and unexplored realms of biodiversity? Finally, biodiversity provides us with consumptive value, directly providing us with food, fuel, timber, and other resources. In essence, biodiversity is the foundation of our well-being, providing us with a wide range of benefits that are essential for our survival and prosperity. Section 5. A global perspective: biodiversity hotspots. Biodiversity is not uniformly distributed across the globe. Certain regions, known as biodiversity hotspots, are characterized by exceptionally high levels of endemism, meaning they harbor species found nowhere else on Earth. These hotspots, like the Amazon rainforest, the Congo Basin, and the Himalayas, are incredibly rich in biodiversity, but also face significant threats from human activities. They represent areas of critical importance for conservation efforts, as their loss would have a disproportionate impact on global biodiversity. Imagine the vibrant coral reefs of Southeast Asia teeming with life, or the cloud forests of the Andes, home to a dazzling array of orchids and hummingbirds. These hotspots are irreplaceable treasures, vital for maintaining the health of our planet. Section 6. India, a mega-diverse nation. India, with its diverse landscapes ranging from the towering Himalayas to the coastal plains, is recognized as one of the world's 17 mega-diverse nations. These nations collectively harbor a significant proportion of Earth's biodiversity. India is home to a remarkable array of ecosystems, including tropical rainforests, grasslands, deserts, wetlands, and alpine forests. This diversity of habitats supports a rich tapestry of life, with an estimated 150,000 species of plants and animals. From the majestic Bengal tiger prowling the forests of central India to the elusive snow leopard inhabiting the high Himalayas, India's wildlife is as diverse as its landscapes. Section 7. Threats to biodiversity: a looming crisis. Despite its immense value, biodiversity is facing an unprecedented crisis, with species extinction rates reaching alarming levels. Human activities, including habitat loss, climate change, pollution, overexploitation of resources, and the introduction of invasive species, are the primary drivers of this crisis. Imagine vast swaths of rainforest being cleared for agriculture, leaving behind fragmented habitats that can no longer support their original biodiversity. Or picture the devastating impacts of climate change, with rising sea levels threatening coastal ecosystems and changing weather patterns disrupting delicate ecological balances. The consequences of biodiversity loss are far-reaching, impacting not only the natural world but also human societies. Section 8. Conservation efforts: safeguarding our natural heritage. Recognizing the gravity of the situation, numerous efforts are underway globally and within India to conserve biodiversity. These efforts range from establishing protected areas to implementing sustainable practices and raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity. Imagine national parks and wildlife sanctuaries like India's Jim Corbett National Park, providing safe havens for endangered species like tigers and elephants. Section 9. Conclusion: our shared responsibility. Biodiversity is our planet's most precious asset, the foundation of our well-being and prosperity. Preserving it is not just an option, but an imperative, a shared responsibility that requires collective action. We must remember that we are not separate from nature, but an integral part of it. Our actions have consequences, and the choices we make today will determine the fate of biodiversity and ultimately our own. Let us strive to live in harmony with nature, ensuring that future generations inherit a planet as rich and vibrant as the one we inherited.